What are the 4 first aid items that I have in my bug out bag? I'm going to show you right now. This is my main bug out bag here, and my first aid items I keep, well, most of them I keep in these side molly pouches. So in no particular order, I'm going to show you. We'll go to number 1. This is Quick Clot. So this is I got to make sure I have the Adventure Medical Kits trauma pack. It's got Quick Clot in it. So Quick Clot is the material that stops bleeding a lot faster. This is kind of a no-brainer to have. And the reason I keep the most important stuff in the molly packs on the side here is because I got a lot of stuff in my bug out bag, and if I'm bleeding out or somebody else is bleeding out, I don't want to have to dig to the bottom of my backpack and find the Quick Clot. So that is right here. This is the only thing that is in this side pouch, but I keep it there. So that is item number 1. Now let's go to item number 2. Item number 2 is a second critical item. It is a tourniquet. This is the CAT tourniquet right here. Very popular tourniquet, combat application tourniquet, military, law enforcement, everybody has this tourniquet. Very simple to use. You can put it on one-handed, which is important because what if you're putting it on yourself? Because I choked to death. I don't know what I just ate. So having a tourniquet in a bug out bag is another no-brainer. In addition to the CAT tourniquet, again, which is this one here, may also want to get a SWAT T tourniquet, just another type of tourniquet, so you can have a backup. But again, if I was putting this bad boy on, it's got the time there, so you can have your Sharpie marker to write what time you applied the tourniquet and all that kind of that thing, so you can see the word time and where you can write it there. And then if I had to throw this on my arm, I can pull it, flip this over, I get the windlass out of the way, and we do that, pull it nice and tight until I can't, and then I can pop it through there. All right, so anyways, you can just put it on one-handed. So definitely have a tourniquet in your bug out bag, something very, very important. So that is item number 2. Okay, what is item number 3? This is the Israeli bandage, emergency bandage. Again, if somebody's bleeding, there's probably gonna be a lot of blood if somebody's seriously injured. So you wanna have, make sure you can see it, you wanna have one of these bandages, because bandages are gonna be critical and you're going to need a lot more than you think. So get the Israeli bandage, absolutely have it in your bug out bag, along with your tourniquet, along with your Quick Clot. So those are items 2 and 3 kept in the side pouch here. All right, item number 4 is not really like one item. It is just what I have in my main bag at the top, again, for easy access, because I know I'm going to need it quickly. And so item number 4 is just a jumble of bandages that you can see here. So it is this plastic baggie. I've got several large bandages here. You can see them. Some more bandages, gauze pads. I've got scissors right here. These are the medical shears in case I've got to cut anything. I've got some aspirin, some gloves, some tape, same thing. More various bandages, triangular bandages, and more bandages. So that is my medical kit. Somebody said to me, you know, if you didn't want all this stuff, fine, but at the very least have the first 3 things. Have the Quick Clot, have the tourniquet, and definitely, absolutely also have the Israeli bandage, and that's simple. And then build it like I built my bug out bag. Don't bury them at the bottom. Have them in easy access places so you can grab them quickly. This is my main bug out bag. As I said, it's my favorite bug out bag by far, the one I actually use if heaven forbid there's a crisis. It's by a company called 3V Gear. I believe their website is just 3vgear.com. But awesome bug out bag, love it, and love how it holds all my stuff. So get your first aid kit in order. I am former CIA officer Jason Hanson. God bless you.